Hi, I'm Mary O'Brien, the State Bicycle Pedestrian Coordinator. I will be sharing with you a summary of changes from year 2021 to year 2022 of the FDM's Shared Use Paths chapter. There are two main changes to this chapter. The first is we made some formatting adjustments, and secondly, we have introduced urban side paths. An urban side path is a shared use path in more urban contexts where the posted speed limit in the adjacent travel lane is lower than it would be in other contexts. And we added this as a way to provide another option for a separated bicycle facility to hopefully provide a low stress bicycling option. Here we provide more information on what differentiates an urban side path from a shared use path, and also that in some cases a sidewalk must also be provided. Next, we clarified that it is best practice to separate pedestrians from people biking if it is anticipated the facility will be crowded, which may not be exclusive to the denser context classifications. It is also best practice to separate users if there may be high numbers of particularly vulnerable pedestrians, such as the elderly or people with disabilities. The language was reworded in this section to clarify that the onus is on the designers to make it easy for people biking to enter and exit the path without riding against traffic. This is where we start to get into the details of how an urban side path has a smaller footprint than a traditional shared use path, as we don't require as much horizontal clearance. We added a new figure to the vertical clearance section. The design speed of urban side paths is lower as the urban environment won't allow for high-speed bicycling with shorter blocks and other conflict points. The new design speed is reflected in our tables, such as the minimum radius horizontal curves, shown here, and also the minimum stopping sight distances table. The separation from roadway section had some rewording for brevity and consistency with the rest of the manual. We added the sentence about on flush shoulder roadways with a design speed of 50 miles per hour or greater, the edge of the path is to be at least 5 feet from the shoulder break. We also added the text of what to do if the minimum separation cannot be obtained, and we added text of where to place the urban side paths. Finally, we added commentary to help designers understand the intention of the criteria. That concludes the summary of changes from year 2021 to year 2022 of the Shared Use Paths chapter. Thank you.